Step 1. Verify the standard code deck frame is at least 1 5/8 inches below adjoining doorway thresholds or other clearance obstructions. Step 2. Using an Mbrico track, verify the deck is squared and flat. Any individual joist or surface that is crowned upwards or crowned downwards needs to be flattened or shimmed to level the track. Step 3. Place the protective butyl tape, provided with your order, at all points where the aluminum track will contact your deck framing. Step 4. Place a single-sided L-track per your layout at your designated starting edge. It is crucial that this first track parallel to dwelling wall. Step 5. Using 1/4 inch drill bit, pre-drill holes only through the aluminum L-track on the outer bank, at all points where the track will intersect the deck joists. Step 6. Secure L-track to joist with the provided stainless screws. There will be only one screw at each intersection of track and joist. Step 7. Place your T-track 1/2 inch wider than the width of your tile away from your previous track. Ensure the track is sitting level and protective butyl flashing tape is placed beneath. Note: self-spacing bumpers have been machined into your porcelain deck tiles. These bumpers align with the next tile to maintain perfect 1/8 inch spacing on all four sides of each tile. Step 8. Place a dab of provided Mbrico adhesive onto the track where all four corners of the tile will sit on track. Adhesive dabs should be approximately the size of a quarter. Step 9. Place a row of Mbrico tiles at designated location in between both tracks. The grooved, curved edge of your tile will fit securely into the tongue of Mbrico tracks. Step 10. Using a rubber mallet or a dead blow hammer, slide tile and T-track towards your previous track until all tile grooves are fully seated and your two tracks are snug and parallel. Step 11. Using a 1/4 inch drill bit, re-drill holes in the aluminum T-track on the exposed side of the track at all points where the track intersects the deck joist. Step 12. Secure T-track to joist with the provided stainless screws. There will be one screw at each intersection of track and joist. Step 13. Repeat steps 7 through 12 until last row. Step 14. Place the protective butyl tape, provided with your order, at all points where the aluminum track will contact your deck framing including your ledger board. Step 15. Cut final L-track 1/2 inch shorter than the length of 2 to 3 tiles and place track on designated location. Step 16. Pre-drill and secure L-track segment to your deck frame using provided stainless screws. Step 17. Place dab of provided Mbrico adhesive onto the track where all four corners of tile will sit on tracks. Step 18. Slide tile from track and into designated location. Repeat these 2 steps to complete this segment of tracks. Step 19. Repeat steps 15 through 18 until last tile. The following 2 steps are only completed if any structure or objects is obstructing your pathway to slide tile from ends. Step 20. Cut the bottom lip of last tile with a porcelain blade. Step 21. After applying adhesive on all four corners, slide tiles groove into your previous track's tongue and gently place down tile to rest on final L-track.